Hello friends, in this video we are going to study cost sheet. What is cost sheet? Cost sheet is a statement or a document which shows the cost associated with a product. मतलब एक प्रोडक्ट का जो भी कॉस्ट होता है, चाहे वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिलेटेड कॉस्ट हो, चाहे मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड कॉस्ट हो, या चाहे वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिलेटेड कॉस्ट हो, सारा कॉस्ट एक स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं कॉस्ट शीट। एक होता है प्रोडक्शन अकाउंट। जैसे कॉस्ट शीट में सिर्फ कॉस्ट रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है, वैसे प्रोडक्शन अकाउंट में कॉस्ट, प्रॉफिट एंड सेल्स, ये तीनों रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है। तो कॉस्ट शीट को पढ़ने से पहले हमको कुछ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कॉस्ट जानने होंगे। सो देयर आर 3 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कॉस्ट। दे आर मटेरियल, लेबर एंड एक्सपेंसेस। व्हाट इज material cost? Material cost are actually divided into 2 parts: direct material and indirect material. Direct material are those material which are used directly in the manufacturing process. एक प्रोडक्ट का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस में जो भी मटेरियल डायरेक्टली यूज होता है उसे हम डायरेक्ट मटेरियल बोलेंगे। जैसे एक कार का मैन्युफैक्चर में व्हील्स यूज होते हैं जो कि डायरेक्टली यूज होता है और फाइनल प्रोडक्ट का एक पार्ट होता है, तो हम उसे डायरेक्ट मटेरियल बोल सकते हैं। एंड इनडायरेक्ट मटेरियल आर दोज विच आर यूज्ड इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस बट इनडायरेक्टली। जैसे एक शर्ट का मैन्युफैक्चर में या कोई भी क्लॉथ का मैन्युफैक्चर में बहुत मशीन्स यूज होते हैं जो कि फाइनल प्रोडक्ट का पार्ट नहीं होते। सो दोज मशीन्स आर indirect material. They are used in manufacturing process but they are not used directly. Now labor cost are divided into direct labor and indirect labor. Direct labor are those labor which are involved in production or manufacturing process. They have nothing to do with administrative or selling thing. They are only related to or involved in manufacturing process. And indirect labor are those who does not directly produce the goods but help in production process. जो कि डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होते बट हेल्प करते हैं गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस होने में। जैसे क्लीनिंग डिपार्टमेंट डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है प्रोडक्शन में बट दे आर यूज्ड और हेल्पफुल फॉर प्रोडक्शन। नाउ एक्सपेंसेस आर divided into direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct expenses are those expenses which are directly connected to the goods or which affect the price of goods, like wages on goods, all the transportation cost on goods and insurance on goods, etc. And indirect expenses are those which has nothing to do with goods. They are incurred but they have nothing to do with goods, like salary of workers. Salary of worker is the expenses incurred but they have nothing to do with the goods. And rent of building is incurred every month or every year but they have nothing to do with goods. They are not involved in manufacturing of goods directly. Here there is a term prime cost. Prime cost equal to direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Now we will see the format of cost sheet. First, opening stock of raw material. Add purchase of raw material made during the year less closing stock of raw material, means the raw material remains at the end of the year. This will give us raw material consumed or direct material. Now we will add direct labor and direct expenses. This will give us prime cost. Now there are three types of overhead: factory overhead, administrative overhead, and selling and distribution overhead. So first we will add factory overhead, or you may say work overhead. And now we will add opening stock of work in progress, and we will deduct closing stock of work in progress. This will give us work cost. Now adding administrative overhead with work cost, we will get cost of production. This is the cost of production. Okay. Now adding opening stock of finished goods and deducting closing stock of finished goods, we will get cost of goods sold. Okay. Now adding selling and distribution overhead with cost of goods sold, we will get total cost or cost of sale, you may say. This is the total cost or cost of sale. Here you can see prime cost, work cost, cost of production, and cost of goods sold, and total cost. As said before, prime cost equal to direct material, this is direct material, plus direct labor plus direct expenses. This is direct labor and direct expenses. And all these are overhead or indirect expenses. Factory overhead, indirect expenses; administrative overhead, indirect expenses; and selling and distribution overhead, indirect expenses. That's it. Now in our next video we will see production account, where all the cost, profit, and sales of a product are recorded.